the best ever marinade for chicken and pork chops. I'm going to show you how easy this is to make. We're going to grill it up and dinner is served. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Erin Chase from $5 Dinners, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best ever marinade for chicken, whether you're grilling it or baking it. It starts with adding olive oil and vinegar. I'm going to be using a red wine vinegar in with the chicken breast, and I'm just using a baggie because I often end up freezing meals like this, but for today I'm just going to let it marinate in this baggie. This also helps, I can mix up the marinade in the baggie once we seal it up, and I don't have to dirty any other like large measuring cup or bowl to mix in the marinade. It's just gonna all mix together in the bag. After the oil and vinegar, I'm gonna add in Worcestershire and soy sauce. I went ahead and combined those into that measuring cup. Next, we're going to do lemon juice. Next, I'm gonna add in some spicy brown mustard. I'm gonna scrape that out of this measuring spoon. Okay, that's it for the wet ingredients. We're gonna add some of the dry ingredients next, starting with brown sugar, garlic powder, dried rosemary, salt, and finally pepper. I do have this recipe linked underneath of the video, so you're going to want to save this recipe. From here, I am just going to roll and cinch off this baggie, and then I'm gonna just gently press out the air. The air is gonna come out this end over here, and then I'm just gonna press out some air. Just be careful not to let any of this marinade escape. And now that that's completely sealed off, all I have to do is just mix it up. Just a little mixeroo. And we have our chicken now marinating. I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the fridge. I like to marinate for at least 2 hours, so I'm gonna add this to the fridge and I will grill this later for dinner. There we have it, our perfectly grilled chicken with a salad. I'm gonna go grab some rolls and dinner is served.